Cars have long since become an essential part of our lives. For some, it's even hard to imagine life without a car. And let's face it, absolutely everyone wants the best car possible. But as a general rule, that usually costs a very good amount of money. So guys, the average monthly salary for a typical American is roughly $5,000 to $6,000 every month. The car I'm dreaming of, a 2024 Mercedes AMG GT, costs around $90,000 to $100,000. To earn enough for it, an average American would have to save their entire income for 20 months. And keep in mind, that's not even counting taxes and the money we spend on living expenses each month. How to earn enough for this car? Much faster. I am presenting a new video series where we will slowly work our way up to this amount. I do not know exactly how long it will take us or if it will even work out, but guys, with my knowledge and experience, I truly think that success is on our side. So let's get started. As you can see, to earn money for the car, I've chosen a platform called Pocket Option. And I've already made a deposit of $10,000. Yes, you definitely need starting capital, but you need that no matter where you go. And I think saving it up shouldn't be too difficult for you. So that means we need to increase our balance by about 10 times. Yes, it sounds difficult, but not impossible. I've been in trading for quite a while now, and you can check that by subscribing to our Telegram channel. The link is in the description, guys. As we can see, on this platform we can trade currency pairs and make money from it. And let's get to it. We'll start opening trades with about $1,000. And we'll open the first trade on the AUD-CAD pair for 1 minute down, as we see the lines indicating that. I think that in this video today I will make about 5 to 7 different trades, and then we will check our total balance at the very end of this video. Guys, I really hope we succeed, because honestly, saving up for a brand new car for over 2 long years without spending any money on yourself is just completely impossible. It's a considerably long period of time, and basically I'll show you that I have an exceptionally quick and efficient method to earn it. So, if we take a closer look at the current screen, what do we see now? What's the market situation? Well, basically the trade is uncertain, but I think the chart is clearly moving down. Yes, as we can see, we're getting some very good downward candles. This is a great signal for us because in just 10 seconds we'll generate our very first bit of profit from this specific trade. So let's wait just a moment. Waiting, only 3 seconds left. Guys, I think this trade is very solid and great. We've earned our first $860. Guys, I know the amount might not seem huge, but in the end, it's all going to add up to a nice little sum. As you can see, the market situation for this pair is currently quite uncertain, so I suggest we just switch it. Let's see what the situation is over here. Oh, I see a great trend here to open a downward position. Since we can see that the alligator and CCI indicators are pointing down, showing a downward trend that we're following. And guys, we only have to wait 40 seconds. Even though our trade is currently in a losing position, everything can change, as that's totally possible in trading. Don't even worry if we don't profit from this trade, because the total loss from 2 trades would only be $140, which is small compared to what we're going to earn. Yes guys, it all sounds complicated, but I'm sure that with my effort and knowledge, nothing is impossible. So I think we can open up a hedging position right now. Meaning we can cover our potential losses and still try to come out on top. Okay, that looks great. I see some really good upward candles forming, and the indicator lines are starting to change as well. Yeah, it's true that the last trade probably didn't bring us any profit at all, but that is okay, because we have high hopes and expectations for the next one. Oh no, do you see those downward candles? Oh my god. Come on, let's go. Hurry up. Great. Phew guys, this is really tough. Basically, I plan to finish this video with a balance of 15 to 20,000 USDT. So come on, let's take a look. I think it's becoming quite obvious here because, as we can see, our trade is currently in a very profitable position with only 8 seconds left. I really don't think the situation can change drastically. Well, at least I hope so. And look at that. It is great. We have already earned a total of $1,500, which is roughly 1/4 of the entire monthly salary of a typical resident living in the United States. Incredibly, it took us just 3 minutes to do all of that. So with that in mind, let's now switch over and take a look at the next currency pair. Let's see where we have a good trading percentage. And whoa guys, I think this is a real gem because the position on this currency pair is just wonderful. A steady upward movement, exactly what we need. Alright, let us wait for a moment guys. We are waiting now with only 40 seconds left. Meanwhile guys, let me remind you that I share all my professional knowledge with you absolutely for free. I share my own personal products as well, and you can find out what those products are by clicking the link in the description below. It is all completely free of charge. It is just a luxury experience, guys. I truly hope you will check it out. So we have about 17 seconds remaining. Oh no, we're getting a downward candle, oh my god. The market is very volatile today, as you can see, but for me it's not that big of a problem, there's no specific fear. So waiting. And come on, maybe in the last second, oh no. Well, no big deal guys, we're still in profit. So, great. Well, I think we can try trading on this currency pair. We'll open 2 upward trades and wait for the result. Phew, guys, basically the trading day today, the market is very volatile, it creates some difficulties, problems, but guys, it's okay because we're getting a great upward candle right now and that can't help but make us happy. So we wait further and only 30 seconds until the trade is completed. I don't think the market situation can change drastically right now. As you can see, there was a strong upward trend and some correction was taking place. What's this guys, am I imagining it? I see downward candles. Oh my god, the market is just terrible today. Guys, I suggest taking a little risk after this trade. Open immediately for a recovery trade. $4,000 guys, that's more than half of the remaining money. Great, we immediately get a downward candle. 50 seconds until completion. Today I'll be trading with 1-minute deals. I think success awaits me. Basically my strategy allows me to do this. So 30 seconds. Great. We managed to open at a good entry point, meaning we opened for a recovery trade. Basically, these 2 trades can bring us about $7,000, which is an excellent result. And our balance will be 17,000. Hey guys, I am so sorry to interrupt, but it looks like our total balance is going to be about $13,000, which is great because it basically brings us much closer to achieving today's main goal for now. Great, we have $12,000 on the balance. So we've recovered the losses, earned a bit already during this video, about $2,000. And let's switch to the next currency pair. So, looking at the chart, basically it seems to me that this currency pair is currently in an active growth position. We had 2 downward candles, so I think the third one will be upward. Well guys, why guess, we just have to wait for it together. And come on, great, 40 seconds. All we have to do is just hold our positions and nothing more. Look, oh no, those red downward candles are back again. Come on, please, just go back up. Ah, come on, please. We've only got about 15 seconds left, guys. Oh no, I don't think this trade is going to be profitable for us. But basically we're seeing an active downward trend on our indicators now. So, based on those, I'm opening a short position again, and I think at least this one will be a winner. Guys, the market is just terrible and disgusting today, but that doesn't stop us from making money. Yeah, not as much as we'd imagined beforehand, but basically it's just a normal trading day. Sometimes our expectations fall apart, they don't align with reality, but that's okay. So I really hope I don't end this video with a significant loss today. Basically, that would unfortunately make this the shortest video series I have ever produced, though. But I am truly hoping that the market will eventually be on my side for this trade. The correction is just quite prolonged, as we can see, and that's not exactly a good sign for us. Come on, 5 seconds, that's all. 3, 2, 1. That was close. That was damn close, guys. $7,000. So guys, basically the trade is over. Now I've analyzed the market further, and I think the best move is to stay with this currency pair because we're seeing a huge upward trend right now. Come on, don't let me down, please. If we basically close out this trade in the green, then I honestly think it'll be time to wrap things up and call it a day. Because the trading actually turned out quite well, even though the market situation was absolutely terrible. But hey guys, we managed to make at least a little bit of money on it. Alright guys, basically, this initial amount won't be that impressive compared to our ultimate final goal. But as the next parts come out, we'll increase our trade amounts because our budget will be growing too, hopefully. So guys, basically, the further along we go, the more we will earn. The larger our capital, the larger our income. Yeah, I could have started with $100 guys, but then I think this video series would have taken much longer to come out. But basically you still have to consider some kind of starting capital. And great guys, we're closing this trade in the green. Yeah, I understand that you need a cool head in trading. Basically you need an absence of emotions and discipline. We have that. But sometimes you need to add a pinch of this kind of risk. And our little pinch turned out to be quite useful. As you can see, we've earned $7,000 in just one video. Yes, it's not a huge sum, but guys, it's the monthly salary of an average American, as I said before. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned to our channel. Don't miss the next parts. And to do that, subscribe, hit the bell, and also leave a comment if you're interested in part 2 and if we should release it. Give us a like and subscribe to my Telegram